the cardinal is a bully. These other birds come and he's like, not today. I guess, oh, see? He's like, not that cool with that bird? Oh, shit. Wait till you see some other birds come up. He's not playing around with that food. Oh, here we go, here we go. Let's see. He's about to find out. Yeah, not today, bird. Not today. Who else is gonna try to eat the food? Oh, shit. Are you guys fighting? He's like, don't even eat my floor food, bruh. Where's the camera? Oh, you're lucky. Wait till that cardinal comes back. Oh my god. Here he comes. Oh shit. Let me get a better look at this. Oh my gosh. What a bully. You're so pretty, but you're such a bully. Oh. Enjoying their snack. But they're paranoid. See how paranoid they are? Because the cardinal, they can't even enjoy it. They're like looking around.